Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Michael and welcome to another installment of Trend Tuesday. Now that the 2018 Supreme Court term has ended, I wanted to talk about a case that's going to have major implications for everyday consumers. And that case would be Ohio versus American Express. Now, before I dive into the case, I'd like to briefly talk about the American payment system. So, let's say I go to a coffee shop and I use cash to pay for my coffee. Now, if I do so, the merchant will keep 100% of the cash that I just handed them. If I decide to use my debit card, then the merchant will pay a combination of a flat fee of 20 cents plus 0.05% of the transaction to my bank. If I decide to use a credit card, well, the fee that the merchant pays will depend on the type of card that I use. If I use a Visa or MasterCard, the merchant will typically pay a fee in the 2 to 3% range. While if I use American Express card, the merchant will pay a fee in the range of 3 to 5%. So the issue in front of the court was this: whether or not a merchant can charge customers different prices based off their form of payment. And the court ended up deciding with American Express, meaning merchants who accept American Express cards can't encourage customers to use other forms of payment. So how does this impact everyday consumers? If you have an American Express card, you're probably aware of the lucrative rewards that come along with the card. American Express is able to provide its customers some of the best rewards in the industry by charging merchants higher fees than Visa and MasterCard. In general, lower-income households don't have access to cards with lucrative reward programs because these cards generally require high annual payments or large monthly spending amounts. So this decision, what it does is it effectively spreads the cost of merchant fees across all customers regardless of their payment method. Meaning, if a merchant decides to accept American Express, all customers will pay for the fees associated with American Express, while only a small customers, those being the American Express card holders, will receive the rewards benefits associated with their cards. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a great rest of their week.